Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to reset the access point names on your Samsung phone. Resetting the APN is important because it can fix internet and MMS problems, improve your connection, and make sure everything works smoothly after switching SIM cards or changing network settings. Let's get started. Method 1. Reset APN manually. Open Settings, tap Connections, then tap Mobile Networks. Then tap Access Point Names, tap on the existing APN. From here, you can change or reset settings manually, like name, APN, proxy, and others. Method 2. Using default reset option. Go back to the Access Point Names page, tap on the three dots icon from the top right corner, tap Reset to Default, then tap Reset, wait for a while, and here it is. These are the ways to reset access point names on your Samsung phone. If you have any questions, just ask in the comments below. Thanks for watching.